Hi, my name is Klaus. I inspected today inspecting this 2017 Audi A3, right? Basically, it's an insurance write-off, and as usual, obviously reported was left side damage. However, also on a further investigation, as there are various holograms on the bodywork on both sides, obviously the vehicle and the front bonnet, vehicle has been resprayed partly, right, up to the sort of swage lines. So bumper resprayed, repair sticking gaps out, holograms, visible respray, poor alloy wheels, needs refurb. As you can see, the gap on this side is narrower, that side is wider, so I suspecting, haven't found anything sort of visually bent. Normally you would not see, so the hub is bent or the strut, so we need both of them and then recheck. So the holograms, access to filler, damage repair here, respray up to here. Visible respray, bumper, rear bumper respray, not resprayed. Again, same up to the swage line. You have a respray. There is a light damage around here, etc. Apart from right side, both doors, they're not being sprayed. So there's a hologram on here, orange peel, and this wing respray and oversprayed on this section. You can still see the fresh repairs. I think it's been recently repaired, and I don't know, it just looks fresh unless they crashed here again. Something, but it's structurally sound. There's nothing abnormal on the structure, on the body. You got dent, you got rust marks. There will be obviously shade differences in all of those places, visual indentations from this is the dust marks, you know. So that's the vehicle interior. As you've seen this vehicle as well, huge stain marks on the seats. Obviously it's a used car, you know, especially from private seller insurance write-off. Would be expected some overspray marks you have it on a door shut areas. Timing belt is due, is visually worn and needs doing. It's 97,000 mile car. I added comments for the brakes, etc. No abnormal leaks. Gonna go for the road test. No recent fault clearances. Nothing abnormal. Seatbelts all fine. The middle one changed at some point. So that is what I can say about the vehicle. Obviously standard is sort of visually poor, but I would not expect anything better on an insurance write-off. Sometimes it is better, but then there is another problem. So visual meets insurance standard, DIY flipping standards, you know. Thanks for using us.